Hello everybody, I am back and ready to make some art with you this week. Happy Easter. I hope that you're still enjoying the Easter season. The Easter season is not over. It continues all the way until the Feast of Pentecost. So we are still very much in that Easter season right now. I've decided to do something a little different this week because we've been doing a lot of drawing activities. So I'm going to be trying to switch it up and give y'all something a little different to create at home. So stay tuned, and I hope that you enjoy this different style of art lesson, and I am excited to do art with you. Let's get started. All right, so I've decided that we are going to do something very different. We're gonna go on a little scavenger hunt for some nature items that we're gonna use to create a portrait. So let's see what we can find. All right, so I'm looking around my backyard for some items that I can use. Let's see, here's a stick. Let's see. Ooh, some pine cones. Oh, there's a little one, and this one. Let's see. Oh, here's some bigger pine cones. Here's kind of like some dried grass. We'll get some of that. So I'm just kind of creating a bunch of things that I can use to create with. Let's see, what else can I find? All right, here are some leaves. I think I could use some of these. I'll pull some of these leaves up. I'm gonna use these for our art today. What else do we find? Some of these lily pad leaves. Let's see. Keep looking at some of these little white flowers. Usually pretty easy to find this time of year. So I've got my two assistants helping me. All right, let's see what else we can find.
Here, come on. Mom, are you gonna show them our chalk thing?
Maybe I'll pick some of my roses to use.
Oh, Mom, that's...
Here, hold that one.
Okay.
Just hold it.
Spikes. Spikes.
All right, got some flowers. All right, let's see what. All right, so here is the collection of items that we found around our house. So now we're gonna turn them into a portrait of a person. So let's see what we can do. All right, let's get my stuff over. I think I'm gonna start with this big nest as the hair because it kind of reminds me of hair. So I'm gonna put it up at the top. So here's my crazy hair for my person. Then I'm gonna use, I have some long stems. So I'm gonna use these long stems to create the outside of the face. Let's see. So there we go. There's the outside of my face. I think I'm gonna use the flowers as the mouth. And I found some rocks. So I'm going to use 2 rocks for eyes. Let's see if I can find 2 that kind of look similar.
Oh, I got some.
There we go. Then let's see. I found these. These might be fun to use as eyebrows. So there's some eyebrows for my person. Let's see. Ooh, this stick would be good as a nose. I'm gonna break it. So there's my nose. Let's see. We have some of these little flowers. I'm gonna break them off and make kind of like some, you know, maybe I'll use these as a rosy cheek. So I'll do one on each side as a rosy cheek and then make the mouth out of these flowers.
Go.
Maybe a pine cone? Maybe a pine cone mouth. So here is my person that I've created out of my nature found objects. So hopefully you can have fun looking for different things in your yard and creating a nature portrait. So I hope that you enjoyed this lesson. It was fun going on the nature quest to find all of these items, and I will see you next week. Bye.